Do you know if your website is performing as it should? If not, it's time to start tracking your website KPIs. KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator, and it's a way to measure how well your website is doing based on these 6 metrics, among many more, of course. Number 6, conversion rate. Your conversion rate is the percentage of visitors that complete your call to action among those that visited the website. Whether the visitor booked an appointment or made a purchase, they increased your conversion rate. You can calculate the conversion rate by dividing the number of visitors that converted by the number of visitors to visit the web page. For example, if you wanted to see how well a product web page is doing, you'd divide the number of purchases, 60 in this case, by the number of visitors, let's say 100, to get a conversion rate of 60%, which is pretty good for a growing business. If you notice that your conversion rate is low, you could experiment with different call to action prompts or landing page layouts to see what works best. Number 5, bounce rate and session duration. The bounce rate of a web page is one of the most important KPIs for website management. Out of the total number of visitors, the bounce rate is the percentage of visitors that immediately click off of a website after viewing only one page, usually within 10 seconds. The bounce rate can be affected by many factors, but one of the main factors is actually number 4 on our countdown. Number 4, page load time. On average, it should take less than 3 seconds for a web page to load. Ironically, the page load time can heavily affect the bounce rate that we previously discussed. If it takes too long for the pages on your website to load, the likelihood of your visitors leaving begins to increase. Number 3, session duration. Session duration is the average amount of time a visitor spends on a web page or website in one session. This is an indicator that your website is user-friendly and visitors are engaged. Whether they are reading articles, shopping, or learning more about your brand, a lengthy session duration can be a good sign. Number 2, traffic source. Traffic source is found by analyzing how visitors link to your website, whether via an ad campaign, a link, or a Google search. By knowing how visitors are linked to your website, you can optimize those sources to attract more visitors. There is an additional KPI you should track when managing your website, but before we get into it, go ahead and like this video if it has helped you in any way. Number 1, top landing pages. This KPI tells you which web pages visitors open first when visiting the website and how well they engage with it. Understanding why your top performing landing pages perform so well can be the key to beefing up your other web pages. There are many other KPIs you can track to effectively manage a website, but these 6 are a great start for managing a website's growth. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content on all things nerdy.